Infinitive phrases. Adding spice to your sentences. Hello there, language learners. Today we are going to dive deep into a fantastic aspect of English grammar: infinitive phrases. Our main focus for this video will be understanding how infinitive phrases can function as adverbs. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of this topic, which can add variety and complexity to your English writing and speaking. Before we dive into the heart of the matter, let's do a quick recap. An infinitive phrase is simply the base form of a verb preceded by to. It can include other elements like direct objects, indirect objects, and adverbs. For instance, in the sentence, I love to read science fiction novels. To read science fiction novels is the infinitive phrase. Now, let's explore how infinitive phrases can function as adverbs. Adverbs usually answer questions like how, when, where, or why. When an infinitive phrase is used as an adverb, it often answers the question, why? It explains the purpose or reason for the action in the sentence. For example, in the sentence, she woke up early to catch the sunrise. To catch the sunrise is an infinitive phrase functioning as an adverb, explaining why she woke up early. Let's look at some more examples to clarify the concept. 1. To impress his friends, John learned to play the guitar. 2. We are studying hard to pass the exam. 3. He takes a walk every evening to clear his mind. In each of these sentences, the infinitive phrase answers the question, why, and thereby functions as an adverb. A quick tip to identify infinitive phrases as adverbs is to see if they can be replaced with in order to, or for the purpose of, without changing the meaning of the sentence. For instance, in our first example, to impress his friends, John learned to play the guitar, can be reworded as, in order to impress his friends, John learned to play the guitar. The meaning remains the same, confirming that the infinitive phrase is indeed acting as an adverb. So there you have it, the role of infinitive phrases as adverbs. Incorporating these into your English can make your communication more nuanced and interesting. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using infinitive phrases as adverbs without even thinking about it. As always, remember to keep exploring the language, and never stop learning. Until next time, happy language learning!